All my kids are extremely happy to have Daddy home. We've missed him so much. It's been very, very hard on us.
It is a day this South Bay family worried may never come. A father was released from the hospital 8 months after going in for COVID. ABC 10 News reporter Jeff Lasky shows why doctors think he beat the odds to survive.
A hospital is an unusual place to throw a party, but there was a big one this afternoon for Aaron Angulo, leaving to go home for the first time in 262 days.
Fabulous, nervous, but extremely happy.
That's Aaron's wife, Elizabeth. ABC 10 News first spoke to her last July with her husband in the ICU.
I'm sad. I'm afraid.
While Elizabeth was vaccinated for COVID, Aaron had refused, trusting in his immune system because he was fit.
He says he didn't want to become a zombie or horns grow out of his head or it's not FDA approved. He said, why? Why do it right now?
By the time he had asked for the vaccine, it was already too late. He had a severe case of COVID and was put on life support, then an ECMO machine, which basically replaces the lungs. The longer he needed it, the more likely it was that Aaron would die.
He had his hard times a couple of times when they told us that come and say goodbye.
Somehow, Aaron hung on longer than anyone UC San Diego Dr. Gordon Young had ever seen someone survive on an ECMO. Young says Aaron's positive attitude helped him gain enough strength to be able to withstand a double lung transplant. So far it's worked, but Aaron's bout with COVID will affect him forever.
Today is the beginning for his new life that he has to take care of every single day of his life.
A life he can finally get back to living at home with his wife and children.
It's a lot of medicines, a lot of therapy, but we can get through. If we got through this, we can get through anything as a family.
Jeff Lasky, ABC 10 News.
Dr. Young says every COVID patient that he has seen that needed a lung transplant was unvaccinated.